everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Play Store simply not working on your phone. So what you want to do is go to the top right and go to settings. So let's do that now. Click this. Scroll on down and we want to locate apps. So let's go to apps. So we should be able to find it right here, apps. Then we want to go to the Google Play Store and Google Play Services. So let's go to the Google Play Store now. So scroll on down and we should be able to find it right here, Google Play Store. Click this. Now what usually fixes this problem is if we go to the three dots and we uninstall the updates. Okay, so let's go to uninstalling Google Play Store. And then we can try opening this up from here. And this is usually what gets it to work again. So just give it some time. We'll have to download this again. So you can see not now, we can get started. And then I'm signed back in again. So that's usually what helps. Just try that out. So if that doesn't help, we can go on to step number 2. We can scroll on down, go back to apps, and then we can just clear the cache and data. So we can go here. Wait for this to load one more time and then scroll on down to Google Play Store. So here it is. And then we can clear the cache if we go to where it says storage. So let's find storage under here. Clear the cache, clear the cache, and then we can clear the data too. This will delete permanently okay, so you can just go here. And then we can try opening it up again. See if that works too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.